Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Insider video. Today we'll be reviewing the iQOO Z6. So now let's start. General brand iQOO model Z6. Release date 25th August 2022 or launched in Jan. No dimension millimeter. 164.17 75.80 into 8.59 millimeter. Weight 140.060 grams and battery capacity 4500 mAh. Fast charging proprietary and colors golden orange, ink jade, star, sea blue. Now let's go to the display and hardware.
When we look at the display, refresh rate is 120Hz, the station size plus screen size is 6.64 inch, the screen resolution 1080x2388 pixels as per Visual 2089, and the hardware processor is 2.5 GHz octa-core 1 into 2.5 GHz plus 3 into 2.4 GHz plus 4 into 1.8 GHz, and the processor may use Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus RAM is 12GB, internet storage is 256 GB, and let's go cameras and software.
Camera, rear camera 64 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels, and number of rear cameras 3, front camera 8 megapixels, and number of front cameras 1. Software operating system Android 12, Skin, Origin OS, Ocean. Now let's go to connectivity and sensors.
When we go to the connectivity, so Wi-Fi is yes, GPS yes, Bluetooth yes, version 5.2, NFC yes, USB Type-C is yes, USB Type-C is yes, headphone 3.5 mm, number of SIMs too, and sensors, face unlock yes, fingerprint sensor yes, composer manometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, and that's all the review of iQOO Z6 5G. Alright.
You finished, right?
And the outro you are speaker. Thanks for subscribing and supporting the channel. My name is Johns.
My name is Nathaniel. Like in the signing off. Bye.
Bye.